guys, it's Ken here. Got a box on mail today from Jason Bryant, Distorted Cheese. So usually I think unboxings are kind of awkward to do, but figured I'd do a quick one just to see what Jason sent me. Him and I have been trading stuff back and forth for a little bit now, so I am curious to have a quick look and see what it is that he sent me over. And I'm getting old, can't see shit, so glasses. Sample of Sterling Executive Man. Declaration Grooming, and I'm not going to try and say that. That's something I was asking him about. And again, I can't say this either, but it's Henri and Victoria Duc de Chantal. We're also talking about, what do I got here? Stony Brook. I'm not exactly sure. Shaken. I know him and I discussed this there recently, but I got a short memory. But he also gave me the vetiver that he did hydrated for one of his videos there just recently. It's definitely weakened down when he dehydrated it, but it's got a great scent to that. Fuzzy Face. Energy. That's as a citrus. Tallow based and shea butter. I'm not really good with scent profiles, and I can't read that, but I'm looking forward to giving that a try. We discussed that briefly as well. And he also told me he was going to be his Alvaro Pacific Coast Kahuna. So I'm looking forward to seeing a lot of reviews on this. That's really nice. He's done a review of it. Red Island Shaver. Justin McIntyre has done a review of it. Matt Bizarsik's done a review, so I'm really curious to see what that's all about. Here's one I've been waiting to see. He's kind enough to give me a brush that he made. I believe he got the knot from Rodrigo Zidane, I believe. And he made the handle out of dowel and just carved it up a little bit. Put a nice stain on it. And that's even more beautiful in person than it's just very simple, but so beautiful. I can't wait to try that one out. Okay, he's also returned, I lent him my Razor Rock 400, so he just returned that. That's a 400 that I lent him. I believe it's in one of his videos, or definitely one of his Shave of the Days. And this is something else that he and I talked about. It was also great enough to lend me his Samoa Owners Club. This is one he's done in a lot of his videos. I'm going to assume that that's Badger. I'll talk to him about it, but he's going to lend me that. And like I said, it's been a lot of his videos, so that is friggin' awesome. Really looking forward to trying that one out and going to get back to him very shortly. And there's more samples again with Wild West. And Chisholm Trail. I don't think I've heard of that one before, so I'll be curious to try that one out. He put in so many samples in this. I'm not exactly sure what that one is, and my eyesight's not so good tonight, but Jason, if you can see what that is, if you want to put it in the comments below, I definitely appreciate it. And if I'm embarrassing you by putting this up on YouTube, you can flack on me later for it. So anyway, try to keep this fairly short. It looks like it's about 6 minutes or so. So Wait, Jason, I really appreciate this. This is awesome. I will get your Samoa Owners Club back to you very shortly. I want to give that a try for the next couple of weeks when I get a chance. And thank you very much for giving me this. That is friggin' awesome. That is going to be proudly displayed, and hopefully within the next week or so I'll get a chance to use that one. So anyway, guys, I really appreciate you watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Share this with friends, and if you have any comments, good, bad, indifferent, suggestions, post in the comments down below, and let me know what you think. Anyway, thanks guys, I really appreciate it.